What size animal? If you had to put an animal in here, what animal could fit in
Are
here?
we filling the room?
Yeah, I mean, if you fill the room, what do you think? Like a hippo, maybe?
Yeah, I was thinking.
All right, hippo. All right, go. You fit a hippo. If you pull the string on the thing and say the hippo goes, what does a hippo do? What sound does a hippo make?
I want to move like a cow, but I don't think
Yeah, I don't think that's right. See, we're
Hey
we're
guys,
both
Pastor
confused.
Don VXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Richmond Hill at McAllister Point. I'm here with Mallory Updegraff from Smith Family Homes. She's gonna be walking through the Brookhaven today, and I'm super excited to see it, so let's go check it out.
Hi everybody, welcome to McAllister Point Phase 2. We're at the Brookhaven plan, a 4-bed, 3 full bath, 2833 square feet. It also does have that bonus room above the garage with a closet, so that does give us a 5th bedroom and lots of extra storage space. Let's go check it out.
Nice. All right, great. So, Mallory, how many homes are going up in this community?
We have approximately 115.
Okay.
So we're keeping with the James Hardy siding, the 30-year architectural shingle for that just beautiful finish.
Okay. All right. I like this entrance right here. That's pretty cool. Let me ask you a question. What do you think is your favorite part about this community?
The community itself.
Yeah.
I love this community. Just the plans that we're putting out. The amenities are beautiful. The pool, the
Yeah.
basketball, the playground. It's a big. If you're looking at a bird's eye view, it's a big figure 8. It's just a big circle. Every yard is just. We finish with the full sod and irrigation. It's gorgeous out here. I love
right.
the aesthetics of it. I love our plans. Obviously, I'm a little partial. We're the only builder out here, so home sweet home.
All right. Cool. Cool. Let's go through this. So, what kind of flooring is this?
This is an LVP. It
LVP?
has backing. It's a click system, so floating floor, easy to replace if you do have some damage. So it's very durable.
Fantastic. All right. Take us through here. Let's see what's up.
So come on in. Right to the left, you're gonna have your exit to your 2-car garage.
Okay. Let's open this thing up. Let's check it out while we're here. It's a garage. Have you ever seen a garage before? If you watch my channel, you have. You've seen tons of garages before. And this looks like all of the other ones. Okay, here we go.
And then we have a great downstairs secondary bedroom right across here with that full bath.
On the front here, this would be a great guest bedroom, I think.
It is, and we do offer in some of the spec houses, it's either carpet or this LVP. This particular plan got an upgrade for the LVP in this downstairs bedroom.
Okay, so the when you're building your home, you choose whether it's LVP or carpet?
They've offered us a pre-sale, yes.
All right.
For the downstairs room.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Nice bathroom. What kind of countertop is this?
That one is a cultured marble.
Cultured marble. I like the cover they used.
Quartz.
Or quartz.
Quartz.
It's quartz that, I think we had this problem the last time. I think I had the problem last time. You were good. Okay.
You've given it to me this time.
I'm
so
sorry.
That is definitely a quartz countertop.
You know what it is. It's contagious. It's like yawning. All right. And then, whoa, right? Like
Look at that island. The island is huge.
granite, right?
Granite and
Okay. Make sure.
yeah, so there's dining space here, a large great room, which is fantastic, and then these slider doors out of a 20 by 8 covered porch.
So a lot of times I see that people put like you said, the table right there. A lot of times people have a hard time imagining it without the table there. But when you see it with the table, it looks totally different. And then it kind of gives you that natural separation to the living room. So, and my God, like, Mallory, go stand in the kitchen real quick and let's see how you look on camera. Like, that's how big it is. Like, she looks like an ant. This is how big the room is. Wow. A lot of natural light. I can see that. And my phone likes to go off. It's fine. No big deal. And there it is. It goes off now. That's how it's magic. I needed to mute my phone. I guess I just didn't do that. So I like this right here. You can fit, what do you think, about 5, 6 chairs? 4 chairs?
I think maybe comfortably 3 to 4.
Sweet.
You can definitely fit 5 to 6 if you have to entertain up here. If you're cooking and you're talking to your friends, you're not losing that company to have that separation there. It's all open.
I forgot you lose all your people at your parties, so I mean, I forgot all about that. Stainless steel appliances,
Stainless steel.
no fridge.
No fridge, but we can add if you wanted to add that to the home. We have
Do
it
you
in
suggest they do that or buy their own? What do you think?
It depends. We offer a great fridge, but if you want a really fancy one that talks to you and tells you what's in it, you need to go find your own.
Okay.
And great pantry, right? But if you need a fancy fridge, get your own. If you want ours, we have a good one to offer.
All right, fantastic. Let's go check out the rest of this house.
Let's go.
Man, that's a lot of space. Holy cow. All right, now we're at the top. Look at this.
Yeah.
I like that. Dangerous though. You wouldn't want to let your kids play on top of this thing.
I don't think anyone would let that happen.
Well, yeah, that's the problem, right? With kids, you just don't know, right?
You don't know.
All right, which way are we going? I mean, we gotta.
We can check out the primary bedroom here.
Absolutely.
Great that it's right here over the foyer.
Absolutely.
The nice gray ceiling, beautiful open space.
Yeah.
Very spacious.
Very spacious. Okay, once again.
Comparison?
Right. How tall are you?
I'm 5'4".
5'4", average size woman. And she looks tiny in here, okay. All right, carpet upstairs.
Carpet upstairs, hallway. The laundry room and the bathrooms are tile. And then again, we're at that quartz countertop.
Okay, no mirrors?
Mirrors will come.
Okay, I didn't know. I just went to a place that didn't have mirrors, so.
No, we will have mirrors. We will have mirrors. So tub, and then this is an upgraded tile shower.
Wow, yeah. Okay. Don't normally see this in new construction. Smith Family Homes, there you go.
More options are coming.
Oh, really? Toilet, I know he hates it when I get the toilet. I'm sorry, Nick. My bad. Just want to show everybody the house. Look at this closet.
It's huge.
You could fit a twin size bed in here, some furniture. You can put your kids in here in your closet.
Yes, you could.
I don't know if you want that. If you have a baby, maybe a baby.
Put the baby here.
You can do that too. There's options. It's basically what I'm trying to tell you. Tons of options.
Laundry room, nice and
Okay.
spacious.
Go here. Okay, we got the tile. No sink. That's rare these days.
Linen closet.
Linen closet. It's a closet. If you've seen a linen closet, you've seen one, you've seen them all.
Let's go this way really fast. These
Oh.
are our 2 secondary bedrooms that make up being a total of 4.
All right, we're going counterclockwise. I think. Yeah, that's correct. I like that closet. Okay, this would be. What do you think? What size bed? All right.
You could do like a full in here, maybe even a queen.
What size animal? What if you had to put an animal in here? What animal could fit in
Are
here?
we filling the room?
Yeah, I mean, if you fill the room, what do you think? Like a hippo, maybe?
Yeah, I was thinking.
All right, hippo. All right, go. You fit a hippo. If you pull the string on the thing and say the hippo goes, what does a hippo do? What sound does a hippo make?
I want to move like a cow, but I don't think
Yeah, I don't think that's right. See, we're both confused. If you know what the sound a hippo makes, I think it's like or something like that. I'm not sure. All right, here's another room. You can fit another hippo. You can have a family of hippos in these rooms, and they can have closets for their. Well, they don't wear clothes, so I guess. I don't know what. I guess. I thought that's what the refrigerator was for. All right, this is what kind of countertop?
That's another quartz.
Quartz countertop.
Quartz countertop.
White cabinets.
Yeah.
Shower tub combo. I do like these light fixtures you guys got. Really
They
nice.
aren't updated for us, so those are new to our plans.
All right.
Yeah. So this I
Whoa.
wanted to save kind of for last.
Oh, this is over the garage.
Yes, this is over the garage, and what is wonderfully unique about this room is let's come in here. This closet space is like a storage room, but then we have your water heaters right here,
Ah.
easily accessible.
Super simple.
Yes,
Okay.
but then across the way there, a massive closet.
I mean, whoever gets this room is going to be happy.
Yes.
There's no unhappy person, no unhappy hippos in this room. You could probably fit 2 hippos in this room.
This one is just massive.
Yeah, this one's big. Wow. All right, let's go out to the back.
Yes.
Now we're outside. Fantastic.
Outside, this 20 by 8 porch we talked about.
Okay.
Porch, and we can screen this in.
You guys do?
We can.
Okay.
It's an addable option. You see the yard sizes are very nice, and to kind of take a peek at this fence over here, the fence profile, this is what you get in McAllister Point. It's the only fence profile allowed, and we are offering to add that fence for you.
Really?
For a fee, not for you.
Oh, right. As an option. But look,
Yeah.
you could save some money with your neighbor over there. You just got to get to know him.
Yep, make friends with the neighbors.
Make friends with the neighbors,
Always
share
a
the
good thing
cost.
to do, but-
Is there anybody going to be built behind this house?
So these right here on this right-hand side of Highland Circle in Phase 2, this is wetlands. So that should remain how you see unless it's rezoned and all the powers that be. So
All right.
for now, that's that.
All right, great. Thank you so much. So that was the Brookhaven floor plan from Smith Family Homes. I want to thank Mallory Updegraff from Smith Family Homes for taking us on a tour of this beautiful home. And if you have any questions about this home or any Smith Family home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Mallory, if they want to get a hold of you, what is your number?
912-253-1419.
All right. Well, I thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you soon.